Well, let's welcome on board our chartists and figure out what the trade setup this morning is looking like. We've got Soni Patnaik, we've got Nooresh Merani as always as well joining in. Hi both of you. Nooresh, let me start off with you. Fab finish to September. What are we staring at for the month of October now?
So the trend is still up. We continue to see a little bit of pauses. Say Friday was not a big uptick, but overall the trend is up. And if we look at the contribution, that has started shifting. So you have banks which have started contributing. You have Reliance coming back in momentum on Friday. So if we have some heavyweights doing well, that keeps the market in a momentum zone. So for now, the stop losses shift a little higher, closer to 25,600 to 25,800 band. So that should act as a support going forward. And in the interim, the first indications of a pause may come if we start breaking 26,000. Overall, the structure is positive. The bank Nifty, till it holds above 53,500, the bias remains positive in the extreme short term. And overall, breadth has also started, improving a bit. But over the last 4 sessions, we've seen small cap index take a backseat, but it's been more about large caps. So the structure is still positive. Maybe over the next couple of sessions, we could see small caps also make a bounce back.
See this entire divergence between small cap and large cap, Nooresh, getting more and more pronounced going forward?
So for a long time, it's been all about small caps. We've seen the Nifty continue to make a slow move. There was a period of time where it was totally sideways, but the small cap did well. So a period of 2 to 4 weeks also where large caps outperform small caps would be pretty normal, given the outperformance which we've seen on the small cap and the mid cap indices. But beyond that is where there could be a concern. So for now, I would expect a little bit of a bounce back on the small cap indices, but it's just been 4 or 5 days of an underperformance.
All right, Soni Patnaik is well with us. And Soni, let's get in a sense as to how you're looking at the texture of the market. Given all that's transpired globally, the pretty stellar week that's gone by, are we in for more upside?
And good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me on your show. So I think Nifty has already seen a very strong support around 26,000, 25,800. That range continues for October series. However, it is also imperative to note that both the indices are quite overbought right now. And there are multiple parameters that have joined forces in becoming overbought. So there could be a small short-term correction which can be looked at a healthy side. For the October series, 25,500 will act as very strong support. So any dip around 25,800, 25,600 should be the level to watch out for reinitiating any longs. And wait for that small correction to come in. Stick to stock specific strategy. If we talk about Bank Nifty, the level of support for Bank Nifty to watch out for October series would be 53,300, which was its earlier resistance, and it broke above those resistance to sustain above it. So I think 53,300 going forward is going to be very crucial. Any dip around those levels should be an opportunity to reinitiate longs in Bank Nifty. For the October series, we feel that it could be Bank Nifty that can outperform Nifty, and there could be a good bounce back from the support level. So watch out for the stock specific performance as we go forward for this week.
All right.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.